This is one of those recipes that's super healthy and super delicious at the same time. It's full of vitamins, minerals, protein, and you can have this for breakfast or lunch or dinner. Let's make Palak Egg Bhurji together. We will start with 4 eggs, to which we will add salt to taste, beat it thoroughly and set it aside. Next, we will set a pan on medium heat and add approximately 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the seeds start to splutter, add 8 to 10 curry leaves, a small onion finely chopped, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and lots of green chilies. Give that a stir until the onions turn slightly translucent. This should take approximately 2 minutes, and we are going to get ready to add 1 medium tomato along with a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. We will stir fry this until the tomatoes have softened up a little bit. Once that's done, let's add in our fresh spinach leaves. I'm using 250 grams of spinach leaves that I've roughly chopped up. Place the lid on for just about a minute so that the leaves wilt and it's easy to stir everything together. Alright, so let's mix everything well. Make sure that all the leaves have wilted, and we are going to stir this for approximately a minute or so till the water from the spinach dries up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to move the spinach to one side and add approximately 2 tablespoons of oil to the other side, into which we are going to add our beaten eggs. If you want, you can directly add the eggs on the spinach leaves so that it sticks well to it, but I like my eggs a little bit chunky, like big egg pieces, so I like to do it this way, but it totally depends on you how you would like to cook this. The eggs have cooked through. We are going to check for salt and also add a half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. A little bit of fresh lime juice tastes really good, so do add that. That's it. Bring everything together and your healthy spinach egg bhurji is ready. And that's all for today, my friends. If you're on any of these social media sites, I would love it if you'd follow me. And for written recipes, you can always visit my blog. It's called noopursindiankitchen.com. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it so you get yummy recipes like this every week. Don't forget to press that notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.